Hey, champ. How's that blog post coming?
Great. Really great. Almost too great.
Great. Can't wait to see it.
Can't wait to write it.
You need a little inspiration. Jasper is here to help. It's an app that uses AI to help you create any kind of content you need. It's like having your very own robot sidekick with an infinite supply of ideas. And that's why the perfect pair of socks is like a hug for your feet.
Hot damn, that's good.
Headlines, articles, images, anything, everything.
Jasper, I need some caption ideas for Instagram. Like a lot of them.
You got it.
These are so good. I could kiss you, but I won't.
Dear customer, it looks like your account problem is user error. It's a little confrontational. What if we lighten it up a little bit?
Jasper can fine-tune the voice and tone of your writing. Sorry to hear about the problems with your account. I'll make sure everything goes smoothly. Smiley face.
Nice.
Jasper, could I get that in Italian?
Naturalmente.
Sweet. Blog post is done in record time. Now I just need some images for it.
Jasper can even generate custom art based on your prompts. Get images of literally anything you can think of in seconds.
You finished all those articles already?
Just felt inspired?
Jasper learns how humans create by consuming the internet. It gives Jasper endless options, and that means it can create original content without plagiarizing anything. Now, you'll always have the content you need, in whatever style you want.
This post is incredible, and so you. Would you like a ridiculously huge promotion?
I would be okay with that.
Who's your little friend?
I'm Jasper.
Nobody.